Hey everyone, welcome to J Stream Stars, the podcast. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing, live selling, and the future of e-commerce. We are here with the brilliant minds of the future of the marketing world, J Stream Stars. And we are here with the CEO, Pauline,
Hi!
and the COO,
Jake
Damon. And pag-uusapan natin kung paano nila sinimula ng kanilang agency at kung bakit patok na patok ang live selling ngayon. And spoiler alert, they're hiring. So let's get into it. So first off, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you.
Hello. Yes,
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for inviting us.
Would you want to introduce yourself?
Okay, so hi, I'm Joy Pauline Villanueva. So I'm the CEO of the company. And then, Jamon.
I'm Jamie Gutierrez. Matagal na nagnegosyo, and I'm the CEO of J-Stream Stars.
Yes.
So let's start with the big question.
Go fire.
What inspired you to create J-Stream Stars?
Well, if you're going to ask me, I think the right person na dapat itanong mo niyan is Jamon. Kasi may kwento niyan eh. Ganda ng kwento namin.
So actually,
I think kwento mo
very,
yan.
very random yan na anong sa akin si Madam na gusto niyang i-launch yung brand niya. And she wants to get back to being a mom-entrepreneur.
Yes, kasi
Diba?
ang tagal ko
Yeah.
nagpahinga.
Yeah, oo.
I'm actually, mga 3 years ako kasi syempre before, I've actually met Jamon before na sobrang negosyante ako. I think that was way back 2015 pa. We're in different industry. Tapos, we've been known each other as an entrepreneur talaga. So, busy ako, nagdinegosyo ako, I sell different kinds of stuff. And then, nag-asawa ko, normal na mga babae, nag-asawa. Then, pag nag-asawa, they stop. Siyempre, I want to focus more on my family eh. Kailangan ko alagaan yung asawa ko, and then siyempre mga anak namin. Then, we also, priorities. When you're a woman, you go to a certain point in your life na parang, I have to stop doing what I'm doing kasi I need to sacrifice it to be a different version of yourself. To be a mom. Yeah. So, nandun ako. Pero parang, ayun nga, parang okay na ako eh. Na-build ko na yung gusto kong family. So, I want to go back in the business. Ayun. Doon na ako, lumapit na kay Jamie kasi nakakausap ko naman siya, nakikita ko siya kasi parang, andun pa rin siya sa industry eh. Nakikita ko na hustle mode pa rin siya, na parang, nakikita ko yung movement niya, on the right track siya. Ako napag-iwanan na ako ng panahon, totoo talaga. Napag-iwanan na ako, so, I don't know what's new. I wanted to relaunch my brand. Meron talaga akong skincare brand. So, yun yung nilapit ko sa'yo, right, Jamie?
Yeah, tapos, parang sabi ko sa kanya nun, simple lang, okay, you wanna relaunch it, and then saan platform mo gustong i-launch? And then sabi niya sa akin, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, have you heard about TikTok live selling? Kasi right now, and for the last 2 years, and for the next 3 to 5 years, yan talagang isa talaga na makakadagdag. So any brands na meron sa market. Sabi ko sa kanya, have you check it? Sabi niya, wala akong idea eh.
No.
So sabi ko sa kanya, okay, sige, sendan kita ng mga info about it, and then you check kung, di ba, kung yung data ba or yung numbers would really add up to you relaunching your brand. So dun siya nag-start talaga.
Kasi hindi ko na nga alam eh. Kumbaga parang outdated na ako, and at the same time, on this era, ang dami ng may brands. Kumbaga parang if i-relaunch ko ulit, kung noon, nag-click siya, ang tagal ko nagpahinga. So I think ako kasi marunong ako sa marketing. I'm doing e-commerce eh. I know, ang dami kong friends na nag-i-e-com. Ay, mga friends na nag-i-e-com dyan. Ayun, so, parang, alam ko yung e-commerce, pero wala na eh. Parang iba na yung trend. Outdated na nga ako. Then, yung sinabi sa akin ni Jamon, ang alam ko lang kasi sa TikTok is, pinapadala ako ng produkto eh. Hindi, I don't do live. To be honest, I'm an affiliate. Yes, I do the Yellow Basket. Yung papadala ako ng mga brand owners para, tawag dito, i-advertise yung mga produkto nila. Hanggang dun lang eh. Kasi parang minsan tinatamad pa ako. Tapos what actually hit me hard was when Jaymon told me, Madam, if you're going to relaunch your product, anong gagawin mo? Kasi ang dami na sobrang dami ng brand owners na pareho kayo ng produkto. Sabon, pampaganda. Kung yung mga ibang competitor mo nga, hirap na magbenta eh. So, ano yung inisip mo? How to sell it? Ako, ang sagot ko sa kanya, kukuha ko ng marketing agency. Diba? Nagkukuha ko ng marketing agency to do that kasi nga, I don't know what's live selling eh. To be honest, hindi ko talaga alam.
Hindi na
Oo.
updated.
Ako nga mismo, hindi ko yung ginagawa sa affiliate eh. Diba? So, dun niya nakuha yung attention ko na, oo, tama nga siya, no? Kasi as a brand owner, yun din talagang gagawin ko. Kukuha ako ng isang agency na magaling mag-live ng produkto ko para gumalaw. Lahat kasi nga nag-live selling even sa Facebook eh. Doon ko lang nakikita. Hindi ko rin alam nga na meron ng TikTok na nag-live. Ayun, doon ako nakuha, Jaymon.
So with that simple and random conversation, doon na nag-start. And then, with that, months of research and pinakita ko sa kanya lahat, mga data, doon nabuo yung concept. And sabi ko, may mga right people naman for to run the technical aspects of it. But ang pinaka nun is, I think, naramdaman ko din sa kanya na she wants to become a mom entrepreneur din talaga. To raise yung level ng yung parang nakita ko na she want to go back again. So sabi ko, marami matutulungan yan kasi just like you, mga friends mo, wala rin silang idea sa ganyan. And if you yourself, 'di ba, sinasabi naman natin lagi kung bibili ka ng sarili, kung kailangan mo yung sarili, yung binibenta mo, parang good product yun lagi Kasi 'di ba, parang ikaw yung user. So sabi ko, yun na yung pinaka na isipin mo, ilan ang katulad mo na women entrepreneur na gustong palakihin or start yung brand nila. But again, because it's very competitive sa market right now, 'di ba? Parang pagising mo lang may bago na naman ulit.
Bagong brand.
May bagong brand, may bagong technique, may bagong ganito. Of course, kahit naman matagal 'yan, it's still relevant today, but hindi pwede na yun lang Kasi alam niyo naman, tagal ko na nagnenegosyo. So nabutan ko na from Friendster to ganito to ganyan, parang sobrang daming changes. So every new technology gives always a challenge to every entrepreneur.
Actually, Jaymon, tama ka dyan. Pasok ko lang Kasi as a mom, when you become a mom actually, naiiwanan ka talaga ng panahon. Like for example, ako nga, di ba, nung panahon na yun, kung magaling ako noon, tapos nag-stop ako, you don't study anymore You don't study kung ano yung bagong negosyo. Nasa-stop ka kasi you focus on your family. As a mom, I drop everything for my family and all the mom knows that. And I'm sure, yung mga mompreneur, gusto nila, alam mo yun, mag-keep up to what's new. Hindi namin magawa. Ang hirap kasi nga, the priority is your husband and your kids. So, doon ko nakita na, hey, yung sinabi ni Jaymon, totoo, kaya pala. Kaya pala. And then, doon we nag-partner kami kasi nakita niya yung vision niya yun. And then, ako, gusto ko yung mangyari. So, doon nag-line up yung idea. That's how it started.
Tsaka, ang dami pa din ngayon iniisip na live selling is just influencers talking to a camera. Pero, there's a strategy behind it, no? And you saw through it.
Yeah, sure.
So, what do you think makes TikTok live selling powerful compared to traditional marketing or e-commerce?
Well, again, sabihin ko na it's just an added value. Okay, added value siya dun sa mga traditional na ginagawa ng lahat ng kinds of marketing. From the parang OG style how you do marketing, this just adds to it. Ngayon, bakit siya kasi like literally, do you know anyone who watches a television besides Netflix?
Parang
diba?
konti na
So,
lang.
dahil lahat
Mga
naman ng tao nasa cellphone na nila. And when you're on cellphone, ano bang tinitingnan mo, diba? Social media. And when you log into TikTok, literally, it's like if you have a brand, okay? If you have a brand, and then you sell your brand in TikTok, it's like you're paying free advertising using TikTok na nanonood sila ng TV. Parang nanonood sila ng TV sa TikTok na kung sino-sinong reels, and then lalabas yung brand mo. It's like premium. Sa panahon ko, if you're watching a TV, and then magbabayad ka ng advertisement sa after, di ba, may noontime show. Papasok sa ganito, magkano advertisement? It's like, it's gonna cost you hundreds of thousands for ilang seconds lang. Right now, it's totally free.
Yeah, actually, I agree with Jay sa sinabi niya. Kasi yung sinasabi mo na parang add-on siya. Kasi, do you know why I started? E-commerce ako. I do e-commerce. I build a lot of e-commerce store. I actually work in shop. Alam mo yun, I have my Shopify stores. Ang dami kong Shopify stores, doon ako nag-excel eh. So, ngayon, yung mga Shopify right now, nagsastruggle na kami with Facebook ads. So, tama ka, kasi it still works, to be honest. And then, yes, add-on lang talaga siya. Pero ang kagandahan sa add-on na yun, lahat na tao nasa TikTok na. So, tama nga siya na parang, lahat na tao, when you browse, even TikTok na eh. Actually, mas prominent si TikTok kaysa sa YouTube. To be honest. Nakikita ko sa mga kids ko. And I think, kayo, no?
Ako din.
Yung mga Gen Z.
Mga Gen Z.
Actually, to be honest, ako din naman eh. Market ako niyan eh. Kasi pag nagti-TikTok ako doon din ako bumibili. Doon ako bumibili. So, nakita ko rin talaga na it's add-on siya. And talaga, everything, lahat na, if you're going to compare it to different platforms, TikTok talaga yung medyo mas sikat ngayon. Kasi una sa lahat, mas mabilis yung fulfillment. Iba yung system ng TikTok na meron ngayon. Oo. Tapos lahat nandoon na I think that yun yung kailangan namin sa brand namin yun. Like, doon sa sinasabi ko kay Jaymon na I wanted to do this something. Nandun all the right equipment, right, the system, and then tawag dito yung mga technicalities, lahat nasa TikTok right now.
So sabi nga nila, di ba, na in life, the only thing constant is change. And with any business, as you grow, as you become, nandyan na decades, hindi mo mawawala yung innovation part. Di ba? Because, again, sabi nga nila, if you don't innovate, you become, you evaporate. So, yung mga ganong like ito, yung live selling is just an added way for a brand, okay, to increase yung visuals nila sa mga tao. Plus, they could be able to sell additionally more.
Tapos at the same time, live selling that's the new trend. We have to accept that eh. Nasa online selling na lahat. Kaya ang daming stores na nagsasara ang daming balita na ang daming physical stores sa mall nagko-close. Bakit? Talo sila na Shein. Di ba? Shein.
TikTok shop.
TikTok shop. So, well, I'm pertaining to online stores. And then, ngayon, even the online stores are now closing. Bakit? Lahat na nagla-live selling. Oo. So, that's the new trend. And then, we really have to adapt. So, yung ideas namin, nag-coincide. And then, that's the powerful thing. Add-on. Pero kasi, sa TikTok talaga. Yeah.
Sakto nagfe-favor yung algorithm sa live content. Kaya madaming exposures dun sa mga brands ngayon.
Yes, exactly.
So, speaking of innovation, ano ang ultimate goal nyo para sa JStream Stars? Where do you see your agency in the next year or next years?
In the next year, if we're gonna next year, well, of course, I can see the company thriving. I can see we already have a building na isang building na yun nandun lahat ng services namin. Kasi actually, JStream is not just about live selling. We offer a very broad services. Hindi lang tayo nakafocus, Jaymon, sa live selling, right? Dami kaming services. Sige, Jaymon, you can explain that.
So, again, yung if you're gonna ask me ano yung vision, ganyan, I came from an industry where you get paid what you work for. So, the people who really work hard and who deserves it really gets it. So, now, sa mga agency right now, nagiging problem nila is a lot of people are working hard but getting paid so little. So, yung isang vision talaga dyan is really be a company that, supports small and starting businesses, but at the same time, give opportunity for those people who really work hard that they get paid really well din. Diba? So, in addition dun sa, of course, scaling na sinasabi ni Pauline, yun talaga yung yung kasi ako naniniwala ako that maraming Pilipinong magaling. But unfortunately, hindi talaga na-maximize yung galing nila because lalo na if they work for international companies, wala lang eh. Wala silang choice. Bibigyan sila ng ganyan din. Di ba? So, kami here, besides the idea of focus in helping yung mga startup or gusto talaga mag-build ng mga brands nila from the ground up is to be able to have Filipinos na meron silang company na alam nila na dito talaga pag ginalingan ko, alam mo yun, parang worth it.
Ang dami kasi ngayon actually, hindi ko ba yung sabihin, ang dami kasi ngayon, di ba, dami kong nakikilala at nakakausap na they really work on these big companies na they're overworking but underpaid. So, syempre, pag ganyan, siguro iba yung ibang lahi, yung owner. So, dito kasi, syempre, pag Pilipino may-ari, alam natin kung paano sila. So, dito sa J-Stream Stars, we wanted to, to help them. At the same time, dun din sa isa pang nakikita ko kasi, ako mismo brand owner, nag-start din ako sa walang-wala. Sa zero. So, ngayon parang, gusto ko rin gumaling, pero nakikita ko yung mga brand owners na kaya gumagaling sila kasi they have this marketing agency. Pero pag ako nagtanong dun sa marketing agency, sobrang mahal. Diba? So ngayon, gusto namin makatulong dun sa mga nagsa-start na walang budget. So kaya ang na-offer namin sa J-Stream, kung startup ka at ganito yung budget mo, pwede. We accept anyone. We will, kumbaga parang, yung namin, yung service fee namin is not ganito kamahal. Binibase namin yun kung saang level ka ng Kaya kaya namin i-customize lahat yun kung saan ka. Kasi gusto namin actually, lahat ng mga small and startup, mag-excel. Kasi I've been there eh. Alam ko kung anong hirap. Alam ko yung hirap na, wala akong benta. The only way is for me to have this agency. Parang yun sila makakatulong. Pero wala nga akong malapitan kasi ang mahal. So, yun din isa sa mga, sa rason kung bakit nabuo namin to. Kasi talagang, bilang that I wanted to help yung mga, nagsisimula ulit. Katulad ko, di ba, nagsimula ulit na walang
budget.
Walang budget. So, yun talaga yung gusto ko.
And of course, you want to build a team that's as passionate as you guys are about local brands. Kaya, so you're just getting started, but madami pa yan.
Of course, dami pa talaga.
So you mentioned about helping a lot of people, Filipinos specifically. So we're speaking about hiring. So let's talk about that. Well, who are you looking for specifically?
Right now, we're actually looking for live hosts. Yun yung mga kailangan namin. We're actually we're looking for the dream team, for the winning team. We need live hosts. We have managers and then content creators. And then actually lahat na nagfo-focus sa operations, dun kami talaga nagfo-focus right now.
So alam niyo na, if you're creative and you love social media and you wanna be part of something, you should join.
So ano ulit yung tanong mo?
Ang tanong ko, who are you looking for specifically?
The best.
Yes, exactly. Actually, pag-usapan namin yan. We're looking... naalala mo yung sinasabi ko. Kasi sabi ko, in this company, ang ino-offer namin service eh. Diba? Ang produkto ng J-Stream Stars ay service. So, kung service ang produkto namin, dapat naghahanap kami ang investment namin sa tao. So, right now, ang mga kinukuha naming mga part ng team namin, tama si Jaymon, yung the best, they should be the expert in the field. So, yun yung mga sinasabi ko, yun yung mga positions na kailangan namin. Pero, for you to be able to get that, kailangan talaga you're a master of that. Kasi willing kami to invest on those kind of people and then to compensate them ng tama. Ayun, so parang, kasi, tawag dito, since service nga, we need to make sure that the client is happy. Ayun, that's our main goal. The client is happy, to make them happy. Once the client is happy, everybody happy. Ayun, so ganun lang yun. We want the best people in our team. Kasi, para sa amin, clients first eh. Di bali nang kami muna kami nila Jaymon as owners. Basta as long as the client is happy, our team, our people, happy din.
Passionate and happy.
Oh,
Yeah.
the happiness.
Yeah, pero
like kami.
ilinawin ko siya. When I say the best, it doesn't have to be na sobrang dami mong experience. Kasi kasama din yung best na may best attitude.
Exactly.
Kasi
Kailangan
I've been in business for so many long. Alam ko na if a person
Sobrang
may magandang attitude,
Ito.
madali lahat eh. If you're a newbie, okay lang, tuturuan ka namin, we're gonna be patient with you. But again, kasama yung best dun sa ang criteria dun is having also a best attitude.
Actually, na kay Jaymon na yun. Kasi akong inisip ko lang naman is, dito lang yun. If you're into this, we'll hire the best people. Best people. Yun lang naman. Kasi I cannot do it eh. Kahit sabihin mo, magaling ako sa isang bagay, magaling ako sa marketing, still, may mas magaling sa akin. So, lahat kukunin ko na pinakamagaling. Then, that's up to Jaymon to, alam mo yun, to check. Since yun naman yung natin, Jaymon, di ba? Ako mag-hire, then Jaymon, do you think ito na yung, siya na mag-check, siya may final say na kung okay yung attitude eh. Kasi si Jaymon, he's the one na more on experience sa tao.
So
alam niya yung, alam niya yung mga ganon, at nakakabasa siya ng tao. Ako, more on the hire, to complete. Kasi yun naman nga sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ako, ang goal ko is to have the winning team. Then si Jaymon naman, siya na nag-aano ng ugali. Kasi nga, tama ka naman dyan, ang daming magagaling na matitigas ng ulo. Maraming magaling na matitigas ng ulo.
Pwede pa rin naman matuto yun.
Yun na nga, matitigas ang ulo at ayaw matuto. Yung iba naman, di ba, parang, kahit ganun lang yung alam, pero willing mag-learn.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so huge, no? Say from someone na CEO na sobrang dami yung chances na piling ko yung ibigay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
kung may gustong mag-join sa winning team nyo, how can they apply?
Well, obviously, first is, mag-email kayo. We have
Click nyo lang sa comment section.
Yes. Since you're in our page right now, you can send a message and then our team will contact you. Pero much better kasi meron na kaming hiring eh. Nakapost sa page. Lahat, very active may mga postings kami doon. Sa Facebook page. We actually have Facebook page and TikTok page. So, ngayon, yung mga hiring namin nasa FB. Ngayon, they're just gonna send a message and then, lahat naman doon, you have to email it at jstreamstars@gmail.com. Okay. And then, si Jaymon na maghahanap sa inyo.
Yeah.
So, ganun yung namin. Just to ganun yung drive namin ni Jaymon. So, ako, more on hiring. Tapos si Jaymon, siya na bahala sa So, we alam mo yun, I'm on this, iba yung approach ko siya, iba yun. So, parang nag-fill out the puzzle piece to complete the company.
Okay, so there you have it, guys.
Wala ka na magsasabihin, Jaymon.
Wala na. Marami pa doon next eh.
Nagsabi ka na, wala na, iba na yun eh. Ibang kliyente nang sasabihin natin eh. Sige na, magsabi ka pa.
Ay, oo.
Kasi nga sinabi ko na fill out yung natin, tayong dalawa.
For clients naman, how do they find you guys?
So for clients, si Jaymon Pasilon.
Yes, go.
Yeah, also, I mean, you could contact our, all our socials page. And we'll send you a parang meeting block.
Yeah.
So para makapag tayo, tawag dun, discovery call. Kung tawagin. So ano pa ba? Sabihin ko.
Wala naman tayong pinipiling kliyente. Actually, mas gusto nga namin yung mga talagang nagsisimula, talaga na wala pag sales eh.
Yeah.
So,
actually, yung TikTok agency kasi has been, marami nag-cooperate niyan for the last 3 years. And they're an inspiration. I mean, don't get it wrong. But, when we started this, again, we will help. Gusto namin, ang talagang goal is tulungan yung mga yun. Para at least, kasi there's always a new entrepreneur. And, sa experience namin dalawa ni Pauline, mahirap yung nag-uumpisa ka.
Totoo. Di ba yung sinabi ko?
Mahirap nag-uumpisa ka. So we wanna be there with them dun sa na yun, dun sa journey na yun. 'Diba? To be able to take their brand to the next level.
Tapos yung isa pa rin na gusto ko to help yung mga katulad ko na mga mompreneurs. Yun talaga, that's my goal sa puso ko talaga na parang, ang dami ko kasing mga friends din na, syempre, nag-stop sila. Kasi they also, nag-asawa. Tapos, ngayon nakikita ko na they're also starting. So, ngayon, lahat sila kinakausap ko na parang, I also want, of course, kasi yun yung advocate ko as a mom. I know, alam ko yung hirap. Alam ko talaga yung hirap na you want to go back. Naranasan ko. So, isa din yun, gusto ko sila tulungan. You are welcome here kahit nagsisimula kayo. We can help you. Actually, we can help you grow again. Kasi ganun din naman ako right now I'm growing again. So, we will grow together. Yun.
There you have it, guys. JStream Stars is here and changing the game. Thanks again to Joy Pauline and Jaymon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ali.
If you loved the episode, don't forget to like, share, and comment.
Thank you. Bye.
Follow nyo kami sa vlog namin. Sa podcast namin. Para mas marami kami matulungan. Peace out!
It's a wrap.